is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow, I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun, just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said
Still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through
I'm starting to fade, feel lost in a way. Should I even stay? But I know I can't go, and I know I'll say no if they tell me to. Nobody around me, I feel empty and rather lonely, abandoned and alone. Nobody really worries, too afraid to ask for the help that I need so dearly. Why can't anybody see how I'm struggling with it? best is still unworthy. I'm average at best, not fit for any glory. Too afraid